Improving driver behavior to avoid collisions. A roadmap to safer roads. Collisions on the roads are a major concern, resulting in loss of life, property damage, and economic burdens. While technological advancements in vehicles and infrastructure have contributed to reducing collisions, improving driver behavior remains paramount. By promoting responsible driving habits and fostering a safety-oriented culture, we can significantly reduce the number of accidents on our roads. In this video, we sought the views of a senior qualified collision investigator, and based on his knowledge and experience, we will present a comprehensive roadmap to enhance driver behavior and create a safer driving environment. Education and awareness. One of the fundamental steps in improving driver behavior is through education and awareness programs. Governments, driving schools, and community organizations should collaborate to provide comprehensive driver education courses at schools, youth clubs, and communities that emphasize defensive driving techniques, traffic laws, and the consequences of reckless behavior. Moreover, media campaigns focused on the dangers of distracted driving, driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and speeding should be consistently conducted to raise awareness among all drivers, including visitors or tourists in a foreign country. Strengthening licensing requirements. Implementing stringent licensing requirements can ensure that only competent and responsible drivers are allowed on the roads. This could include increasing the minimum age for obtaining a driver's license, increasing the number of hours of supervised driving practice, and introducing periodic retesting to assess driving skills and knowledge of updated traffic laws. Incentives, enforcement and penalties. Rewarding safe driving behaviors and imposing severe penalties for traffic violations can significantly influence driver behavior. Governments in liaison with insurance companies can provide incentives such as reduced insurance premiums, tax benefits, or other rewards for drivers with impeccable driving records. Conversely, the police and speed cameras enforcement should be utilized but only at identified hot-spot areas, based on statistical collision analysis, and should be imposing heavy fines on the road traffic offenses that are contributory factors to serious or fatal road traffic collisions. These are identified following collision analysis and are mainly the driving at excessive speed, without wearing your safety belts, driving under the influence of drink or drugs, dangerous overtaking, lane change, use of mobile texting, driving distraction, and for motorists riding without wearing your crash helmets. Furthermore, courts should be imposing more license suspensions or mandatory defensive driving courses for offenders for above-mentioned offenses that could act as a strong deterrent against reckless and dangerous driving. Integration of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. The integration of ADAS technologies in vehicles can play a crucial role in reducing collisions. Systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring can assist drivers in avoiding potential collisions. Governments and automotive manufacturers should collaborate to make these safety features standard in all new vehicles. Public transportation and shared mobility. Enhancing public transportation options and promoting shared mobility services can reduce the number of vehicles on the road, alleviating traffic congestion and the probability of collisions. Additionally, public transport can provide a safer alternative for individuals who may be prone to unsafe driving habits or those unable to drive safely. Road infrastructure, engineering improvements. Road design and infrastructure play a significant role in road safety. Governments should invest in better signage, well-marked pedestrian crossings, clear lane divisions, and proper traffic signalization. Moreover, addressing high-risk areas with traffic calming measures can help mitigate the chances of collisions in accident-prone locations. Peer influence and community engagement. Promoting a safety-oriented culture within communities can have a positive impact on driver behavior. Peer influence can be powerful. Therefore, engaging community members, schools, local organizations, and non-government organizations, NGOs, in road safety campaigns can encourage responsible driving habits. In conclusion, let's remember that road safety is no laughing matter, but a little humor can go a long way in making the journey to safer roads a smoother ride. So, buckle up those seatbelts and get ready to put our best driving foot forward. As we embark on this adventure of improving driver behavior, let's not forget that defensive driving is not just a fancy term for avoiding angry honks from other drivers. It's our secret weapon against collisions and a ticket to becoming a true road warrior. Together, we can say goodbye to reckless driving and hello to a world where turn signals aren't just a mythical creature spotted once in a blue moon. Let's encourage our friends, family, and fellow drivers to become super safe speedsters and leave the speed demons in the dust. Remember, tailgating might be fun at a sporting event, but it's a definite no on the roads. And as we embrace advanced driver assistance systems, let's not worry about losing control. After all, these systems are like having our very own co-pilot who's got our back and will keep us on the right track. So, whether you're driving a rocket-powered sports car or a humble hatchback, let's make road safety the driving force behind every journey. Together, we'll create a road culture so safe and supportive that even traffic jams will turn into spontaneous dance parties. In the words of the wise, better late than never, but better safe than sorry. Let's wave goodbye to collisions, raise a toast to responsible driving, and celebrate a future where we can all drive with confidence, knowing that our humorously cautious approach has made our roads a better place for everyone. So overall, happy and safe driving, my friends. So did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching.